Welcome back! Today we have 10 new words for you. That's right, and we'll learn them step by step, super easy and fun. Ready? Let's go! First, we'll show you 10 flashcards about kitchen and cooking. Look at the word, the picture, and the meaning. Try to remember them. You have 10 to 50 seconds for each. Say the word out loud in your mind if you want. Before starting, we have to say something very important. This episode has a coin of 20 points that you can see step by step until the end of the episode by remembering these flashcards and get this point. Exactly. Very interesting. You can learn the language by watching the episodes and collect points. That's right. With your total points, you can have a chance to be among the top 3 people of this month. Great! You just have to write down your points in your phone or notebook so that you know how many points you have collected at the end of the month. Great! Are you ready to start and get these 20 points? Let's go! Okay, now it's time to start the process. Pantry, a place to keep food in the kitchen. Countertop, the flat surface in the kitchen. Sink, where you wash dishes. Stove burner, the part of a stove that gets hot. Spatula, a tool to flip or move food. Whisk, a tool to mix food. Ladle, a big spoon to serve soup or sauce. Colander, a bowl with holes to drain water from food. Measuring cup, a cup to measure liquids. Oven mitt, a glove to protect your hands from heat. Now we'll tell a short story with all 10 words. But the words will be replaced with pictures. Don't worry. You can see the word lightly under the picture. Try to read it out loud. This will help you remember the pronunciation. In the kitchen, there is a small pantry. It is full of cans and jars. The countertop is clean today. Emily washes dishes in the sink. The stove burner is hot and ready. She picks up a spatula to flip pancakes. Next, she grabs a whisk to mix eggs. Soup is ready. She uses a ladle. Pasta drains in a colander. She measures milk with a measuring cup. Hot cookies come from the oven. She uses oven mitts. Well done! You did it! You could get 5 points for this step. It's time to go to the next stage. Are you ready? Let's go! Now it's listening time. You'll hear 10 sentences. The words are only shown as pictures, no text this time. Try to guess the word in your head, and then after 5 seconds, we'll tell you this answer. Say it out loud too. This helps your brain remember even better. In the kitchen, the pantry is full of jars. The countertop is clean and shiny. She washes dishes in the sink. The stove burner is hot for cooking. She flips pancakes with a spatula. Eggs are mixed using a whisk. Soup is served with a ladle. Pasta drains in a colander. Milk is measured in a measuring cup. Oven mitts protect her hands. Well done! I'm proud of you. You could have done this too. You could get the 5-point coin in the stage and get 10 points up to this point in the episode. It's time to go to the next stage. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey, it's okay if you don't get everything right today. Small steps every day will make a big difference in the future. Keep watching, keep practicing, and your English will grow. We have reached the most important and last stage of this episode. The stage that is going to give us 10 points. At this stage, you will be asked a series of 4 choice questions, some of which are answered with pictures and others with text. And you have to guess the correct answer. You can see the correct answer after 5 seconds. This way the words are locked in your brain. But there is a condition. You have to comment the answer to every question that is asked to you before you see the correct answer. This is great. Let's go. The glove to protect your hands is an oven mitt. She puts the soup in a to serve ladle. She stores the rice in the pantry. She washes her hands at the sink. Eggs are mixed using a whisk. Pancakes are turned with a spatula. Milk is measured in a measuring cup. Yes. Soup is served with a ladle. Yes. That's it for today. You did amazing. You could also get the 10-point coin of this stage. This means we managed to get 20 total points for this episode. This is amazing. Write in the comment how many points did you collect. Can you guess all the words? Don't forget to like and comment, friend. Most importantly, don't forget to turn on the channel bell because you need the sum of your points in the months so that you can be among the top 3. That's right. You must write down your points somewhere. Maybe you will be the 3rd person, maybe the 2nd person, or maybe the 1st person. This is great. I'll just say it again. You should turn on the bell because we will definitely announce the results in the post section of the channel. That's right. Think that you are learning a language and collecting coins. Also, we have a big surprise for the top 3 people every month. I don't think you want to miss it. Exactly. So remember, practice out loud, repeat the words, and have fun. See you in the next episode.